we have marinara sauce. And especially, we have ground beef. Yeah! So anyways, we will meet you guys back when we get home.
Come join me. Come join me. It's Dex TV. It's Dex TV. Dex TV. It's Dex TV.
Yo guys, what's up? It's Dexter back with another video, and today we are making my dad's special spaghetti recipe. First we have 2 pounds of ground beef. We got some pasta, but I cut it in half because really it's just too long whenever it's not cut. We have some organic marinara sauce. We have a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and some chopped garlic, which makes me cry. So you guys ready? Let's do this. Now that we have the water boiling, we can put in the pasta for exactly 10 minutes, and we will have ourselves a nice, smooth, tasty pasta. I'm just gonna take like pieces at a time because it's kind of risky to just kind of dump the plate. That's really hot. Okay, I'm just gonna move on to the next set. Okay guys, now we gotta crush them all down. Dude, that water is hot. Now we're all good. Let's just let that sit for 10 minutes and let it be. So while that's going, let's cook up the beef in the sauce. And of course we have olive oil in here to just kind of, oil it up. I have no idea why they call it olive oil. I have no idea why you even use it in cooking. I'm just assuming it's to make it a lot more. Okay. Now that it's warm, we're gonna throw in the garlic. Gotta throw in the ground beef. We're gonna, ew, wait, I just got ground beef on me. Okay, next we gotta dump in the ground beef. We just gotta mash up the ground beef and mix it around. So it's just kind of like cooking it, and then it's just gonna break it apart more, and it'll just be more of a smoother taste. You know what I'm talking about? Now we're gonna throw in the pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Okay. We gotta make sure our ground beef is like completely fully cooked, because if it's not, you're gonna get raw meat into your stomach, and that won't be pretty. Now that the meat is almost cooked, fully cooked, now that the meat is almost fully cooked, we're gonna throw in the pasta sauce. Now we're gonna pour it in. That got everywhere. Okay, now we're mixing. Okay, I don't know why I have a tendency to do that. Just ignore me for the rest of this video. Okay, I'm gonna stop. This is really humiliating. As you can see, it's like starting to thicken up, which is gonna give it a pure and good taste, which is what we want. Okay guys, now we're gonna put in the brown sugar, so I'm just gonna pour that in there. Good. Now we're gonna mix it all up. So you know what we want is like to cook it until the sauce thickens up, so we can get that pure, rich taste in the sauce, in the beef, and in everything else, including the pasta. Now that it's been 10 minutes, the pasta is ready, so we're gonna get it off the stove. Now we're gonna turn the pasta down to medium low and let it simmer. Now we're gonna drain the water from our pasta. Okay, so let's do a taste test. You know what? I could do that a little bit more sweeter. Let's add a little bit more brown sugar to that, because once you get to the meat, it's all just bland. So now I have another 3 teaspoons of brown sugar that I'm gonna put in there. And now we're just gonna mix that up. Now we just gotta keep on mixing it. So now we're gonna taste test it again. It's gonna cool off a little bit though. A lot more flavor to it. That needs to be stirred up a little more because I'm crunching the brown sugar. You know, just a little bit more of stirring. All right, guys, I think we're right about done. Let's turn this baby off. Wait, I don't think that's how you turn off. There we go. Now we got the plate and the pasta. Now we need to, or the plate and the pasta noodles. Now we need to pour in the sauce and the meat. About 3 scoops should do. If you want to do more, you can do more. Crap, I spilled some. Oh yeah, that smells divine. Alright guys, now we're ready to dig in. That is awesome. That is awesome. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down. I'm just kidding. Leave a big thumbs up, comment down below, #pasta from your dad, or from my dad I should say. And subscribe, turn on post notifications. I think I already said that, but if I haven't, I haven't. And goodbye.